Hello friends, today I will show you how to install WordPress in XAMPP local server. XAMPP download link in description and WordPress download link in description. I have already download WordPress. I am extract WordPress file in my desktop. File extracting takes some time. Open the XAMPP server. Start Apache or MySQL. Open any browser. Then type localhost/php my localhost PHP port problem. Because I am right, 8080. Now my PHP admin panel is finally open. Click to database and create a new database. I am create a WordPress database. My database is successfully created. Copy your WordPress folder and go to this path. C Drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and paste your WordPress folder. Open your browser and type localhost/WordPress/. Because my port is not work, I am type my port number. You cannot write port number. You can show the WordPress setup configuration page. Now click to Let's Go button. Enter your database name. I am created WordPress name database. Enter your PHP username. I am enter root. This is by default PHP username. Enter your PHP user password. I am not set my password. By default PHP is not provide password. I am not change database a host or table prefix. Click to run the install button. Enter your website name. You can create this. Enter your WordPress login username. Enter your WordPress login user password. Check to confirm password. Enter your email address. Check search engine visibility. Click to install WordPress button. Click to login button. Enter your WordPress username or password, and click to login button. Now your WordPress is successfully installed. You can show the WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.